Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use AI apps in Canva and boost your creativity. And right now I have a lot of AI tools or rather applications inside Canva that I want to share with you guys. So let's start with this Imagen, or we call it Imagine. Some might call it Imagen. Anyway, I have a video about this and how to fully utilize it on their own website, so please check it out. Anyway, if you click on Imagine right there, it's gonna be turn your text into photorealistic AI images. Basically, it's gonna be a text to image prompt. So with this one, you can either use existing design or use a new design. I might just use it on new design right there. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Give me a second to look for my blank design here. So welcome back to the video. Once you choose your blank design or existing design, you're gonna go inside Canva. Of course, a disclaimer for you guys is all of these applications are gonna be for free, or basically are accessible for free trial. Even though I'm using a paid subscription of Canva, I wanna show you guys first the free trial and then make another video regarding all of the best tools, including the one with the paid subscription. Anyway, with this one, as much as like any other AI tools, some like Midjourney or any other tools like Leonardo, you're gonna need a prompt. If you don't have an idea how to prompt it or what to write in your prompt, there are examples at the bottom section, or basically, you can type and try an example. But for me, I'm gonna type in this one, a waterfall in a jungle. Something like that. Basically, I'm just gonna type this one here. And by the way, guys, you have one of 24 credits, refreshes every month. With that being said, I'm now gonna generate it. Now I'm having two samples. By the way, guys, it's still gonna be an update wherein you cannot really choose how much sample or product you have, not unlike like any other AI tools where you can choose one or four. For this one, you're gonna have two. And I think I'm gonna go with this little guy right here, the second one. And I have it on my background. I can just simply set it in my background, and I have it right there. And right now, once you added it on your Canva, you can edit your image, especially if you want to add some filters on it right there. You can grab a text, magic edit, and so much more. So back on the landing page, another thing that is familiar or similar with Imagine is going to be DALL-E. Right now, it is currently DALL-E 4, the latest version of DALL-E, which is powered by OpenAI, which also powers our famous ChatGPT 4 or 3. Anyway, DALL-E is the same as Imagine inside Canva, wherein you can just generate images. So let's just move on with the next application that's not similar. It's gonna be DID. DID is gonna be an AI presenters wherein you can create avatars and then type any text you want and then they're gonna say it. Basically, I have a video about this also, DID, so please check it out. Anyway, I'm gonna click on use existing design there. I'm gonna choose my project and we have it right here. I'm gonna see you once inside, okay? So welcome back to the video. Right now, we have to choose first our presenters. We have a wide variety of changes or presenters right here. So for example, you want close-up or you want full body. We have it right here. I think I'm gonna go with this guy right there. Go back as a presenter, make sure it's gonna be selected. Now you're gonna have two options. You can either enter a text or upload the audio. For this video, I'm gonna utilize a text version. And I'm simply gonna say good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening. Perfectly right there. Now you're gonna notice this clock right here wherein if you type this one, they're gonna say the time of what it is as of now. Pretty awesome. So if you click on this one to add a 5-second post also, basically that's it. Also, you can choose the language. You can either choose English on New Zealand, Philippines, Singapore, or the basic, most famous part is United States, of course, or the US. Of course, for the voice, as of now, I am currently selected as Ava. Since we're using a male character or a male presenter, please choose a male voice because it's actually weird if you have a male character and you're using a female voice, right? So I'm gonna go with Brian, or let's just say Andrew. Andrew speaks more than this guy right here. So for the video name, I'm gonna name it Andrew. Now I can preview the speech as of now or sign in to generate. For now, I'm gonna preview the speech, so let's listen to it all together.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening.
Awesome, right? Andrew is actually the most famous voice in all social media. I know you hear it. Anyway, I'm gonna sign in right now to generate, and I'll see you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Right now we have this, I'm gonna say presenter video. Anyway, I'm gonna make sure this is gonna be around the corner right there. And now I'm gonna play it so you guys can hear it.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening.
Awesome, right? Now I know you're noticing some watermarks right there, because right now, we are using a free trial of Canva. To remove the watermarks, please use a paid version of it. However, I'm going to show you right now how to utilize this application. It's going to be by your own choice if you want to pay for the full subscription to remove the watermark. Anyway, this is an awesome tool, a collaboration between DID and Canva. And by the way guys, don't let me stop you, you can edit the video here. You can background remove, highlight, filter also. You can do this in all of your Canva files. Please don't let me stop you here. You can even animate, crop, fill, border style, and so much more, okay? So let's move on with the next feature. So next thing we're going to talk of is going to be Murph AI. It's going to be this one. It's basically a voiceover tool wherein bring your Canva designs to life with Murph's realistic AI voices. Now with this one, I'm going to use an existing design and I'll see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is going to be how it looks like inside the Murph AI application that is collaborated with Canva. You should just need to connect your account, and right now I'm currently having the free plan. So with this, I can create a workspace, just visit their website. And with that being said, let's go onto the website and I'll see you once inside. So once it's loaded up, we need to choose a voice actor. Right now we have the most famous one, Terrell, Clint, Alicia, Charles, and Ava. Right now I have Natalie. I'm gonna go with Terrell right there. I can choose the filter, for example, this is inspirational. Of course, you can adjust the speech, speed, you can pause or add a pause, pronunciation, and variability. For now, I'm gonna type in here, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, sorry about that, and of course, good evening. So I'm gonna pick the spelling, and right now I can change this or vary it with AI. And with this being said, I can now simply generate this audio so we can listen to it all together. So now it has been generated. Let's all listen to it all together.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening.
Awesome, right? By the way, guys, we still have 9 and 56 seconds out of 10 minutes available for our free plan. If you want to upgrade, simply click on this button and here are the prices. This is an awesome tool, Murph again, so please check it out. Let's go back inside Canva. So once you're inside Canva one more time, you can now select the voice of Terrell. Enter your text here. For example, I'm gonna name this one good morning and hello, something like that. And I'm gonna choose a style here. For example, conversational, meditative, or newscast casual. I'm gonna go with conversational. And let's just use Natalie for now. Of course, the language is here. And with this one, the speed and pitch is right there. And I'm gonna preview this voiceover. Let's all listen to it, okay?
Good morning. Hello.
Have you heard it? It's quite a small voice since we only have limited name or limited text. Let's try all it one more time.
Good morning. Hello.
Awesome, right? By the way, guys, we cannot add this anymore on our Canva since we already have one on our website. As you can see right here, to add this voiceover in the design, upgrade your account. So since we don't have a paid subscription, we just need to pay for it before using it. So next up on the list is going to be SoundRaw. SoundRaw is going to be a text to music. You heard me right, an awesome tool that helps you create text to music. I'm going to make this one in an existing design. I'm just going to look for design right there. I think it's going to be this one. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is going to be the user interface of SoundRaw inside Canva. Basically, you're going to have 3 sections, okay? One for create, one for favorites, and one for use songs. For create, you can choose a style first. For example, you want it glamorous, mysterious, hopeful, or romantic. For the genre, you can choose acoustic, something like that. And for the theme, you can choose motivational, comedy, nature, or cinematic. For the length, the least is 10 seconds. And with now being said, go back there because we have set our style. Next up, we need to choose a song that is presetted. For example, you can generate more and use it. Now since we have our style all together, I'm gonna generate it right now. And these are the songs we have. Again guys, I only have one click of a button. And you can generate more there if you want some more samples. And there we have it. So if I choose one more style and choose the sections here and click on show all, you're gonna have so much songs. So for example, I wanted to add on my Canva template or Canva project. And then you simply click on use right there, like so. But I'm gonna need to connect my account. So I'm gonna get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. After creating an account, your music or soundtrack will be automatically added to your project. Here is right there, and if you add another page, it will automatically extend itself, and so on and so forth until it reaches the end of your music. So with that being said, you can use another one, or you can just duplicate this one to make sure that it is gonna be added to your Canva. For example, I'm gonna copy this one, paste it more right there. So we have two scenes, two songs all together. It's just like any other video editor where you can just stitch it up and have multiple scenes with music. Anyway, you can adjust the audio effects, the beat here, so please don't let this stop you. Let's move over and go back on the landing page of Canva. So next up, actually this is my favorite. The next up is gonna be my favorite, which is Speed Painter. Basically add an image and then Canva will draw it for you as a sketch. Awesome, right? Can't wait to use this one, so let's use existing design and use my previous design. I'm gonna see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. Right now inside Speed Painter, you just need to upload a file. So let's upload a simple file here so Canva won't have a hard time and it won't take much longer. We're just gonna look for a simple photo here. I think I'm gonna go with this dog right here. And for the sketch duration, I'm gonna go for 3 seconds. Color fill, I'm gonna make sure it's gonna be 0 because I don't want color. It's gonna be a sketch, but if you want color, please do so. And add sketching hand effect, I'm gonna do this and I'm click on generate right now. So welcome back to the video. Right now I have this awesome video of a dog of a sketch. So if I play it right there we have it. Awesome, right? Of course you can extend the seconds, add the color if you want, but that's gonna be by your own preference. Also, you can edit the video here by your own preference as well. So please check them out. Let's move on with the next feature. So for the next feature, we're gonna call it image upscaler. Basically, image upscaler elevate your image resolution with AI. So I'm gonna use this one in an existing design and I'll see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. Right now for image upscaler, simply upload an image of your choosing. So make sure it's only about this size, 5 MB. So right now, upon trying earlier, I actually tried it 5 times and currently it's not working because it's gonna be on maintenance. So image upscaler inside Canva right now is gonna be on down system until next morning. However, just simply upload the file right there, for example right here, and choose a resolution and click upscale image and you'll be good to go. That is how you use image upscaler in Canva. Let's move on with the next one. So for the next one, we're gonna call it colorize. Basically, if you have a black and white photo, you can add color to it. So I'm gonna use an existing design and I'll see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. So for colorize, it's basically the same as sketch hand earlier and the upscaler. You can just simply upload the photo of your choosing and simply click on colorize. With just simple click of a buttons, we don't have to do anything here and just wait for it to be finished. So I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is gonna be our new product or new design. Let me just pull up the previous photo so you can have an idea how it looks like. Give me a second here. So there we have it. 2 photos from black and white, and right now we have colors. With just simple click of a button. Awesome, right? That is colorize for you. Let's move on with the next feature. Next on the list is gonna be profile photo. This is especially useful for resume creation. For example, you don't have a professional photo with you. This is useful, so I'll see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. Right now, you're just gonna be choosing a file here. If you notice, we only choose a file because Canva does the work for us. So I'm gonna go on my downloads here and look for a good photo that can make a profile picture. I think I have one right here. It's gonna be this guy right there. So with this one, I just gonna hit the AI to identify if it's gonna be male, non-binary, or female. I'm going to choose male and preserve facial expression. I'm going to do so and simply click on generate. So welcome back to the video. On the right side will be our generated new image or profile photo, and this is what we have. I know it's not identical, but it's going to be 99% there. And with that being said, this is how you utilize the profile photo application inside Canva. Let's move on with the next one. For the next one, we're going to create our own emoji. Use existing design, and I'll see you once inside, guys. So for emoji artists, you're gonna have 2 options. You can either explore first and search for emojis. You can use this one as your own. And basically, let's generate our own emoji, okay? So for this one, you can just simply describe your emoji. I'm going to try an example. Cat with a red hat. Click on generate, and I'm going to see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is going to be our emoji, a cute one at that, because we have a cat in a red hat. Awesome, right? And that's how we use emoji artists. Anyway, guys, before we move on with the next feature, I just want to reiterate that you can choose, edit, and actually filter your images on this option. You can do this among all of the features we've talked about earlier, so please don't let that stop you. Also, you have a free credit here, 3 out of 4 credits, which is going to be refreshes every day. Again, I'm going to move on with the next feature. There we have it. So logo maker should look like this, basically creating your own logo. So I'm going to use this one in an existing design. Of course, I'm going to see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. Right now, you can just simply describe the logo you want. For example, tree in a park. I'm going to use this one and click on create. Now it's not creating my logo right there. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is going to be our logo. If you want to make it a background, this is how you do it. So guys, again, you can edit your image, animate and position, even flip it right there. So this is how you use the logo maker. Let's move on with the next feature. Now before we end this video, I just want to make sure you are familiar with this one, Magic Studio. So it's going to be a new feature inside Canva wherein all the power of Canva's AI all in one place. You can check them all in here, and we're going to create a video about this, so please check it out. Anyway guys, that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.